How to fix Steam not downloading games. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store and then search for Steam application. And make sure you have the latest version. If instead of this open button, there is an update button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of Steam. Next, go to Settings, go to Apps, find Steam application. Then, go to its storage section and tap on Clear Cache. Make sure you have a very stable internet connection and your problem should be fixed. If not, consider restarting your Steam application or restarting your device. That should fix. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.